Okay everyone, so today we're going to be exploring question 14 of the Module 4 Lesson 1 and 2 textbook assignment. So this is going to be a lesson for Lessons 1 and Lesson 2 of Module 4. So question 14. A rotating water sprinkler makes one revolution every 15 seconds. The water reaches a distance of 5 meters from the sprinkler. We are asked to find the arc length when the sprinkler rotates through 5 pi over 3. And here we have to give our answer as an exact value and an approximate measure to the nearest hundredth. And B, we have to show how we can find the area of the sector watered in part A. And C, what angle does a sprinkler rotate through in 2 minutes? And we have to express our answer in radians and degrees. So I just got started here. We have to find our arc length. And let's say we have S as our arc length. And from here, we know that R is equal to 5 meters, as said in the question, and theta is equal to 5 pi over 3. So using what we have now, we just have to substitute it, and S is equal to 5 times 5 pi over 3. And this is going to give us 25 pi over 3. So 25 pi over 3 is the exact value of the arc length. And now we have to find our approximate value. So what that's going to look like is 25 pi over 3 is equal to 25 times pi, and we divide this by 3. So if we go ahead and calculate this, we're going to get we're going to get 78.53981,634 and divide this by 3. And our final answer is going to look something like this: 179.93878. And because they want us to round it to the nearest hundredth, we're going to express the answer as 26.18 meters. So these two are our answers here, and that's it for A. Now let's go over to B. B, we have to know that our circle is half pi squared, and then we also include theta. So now that we have that, we can show our values. R is equal to 5 meters, and theta is equal to 5 pi over 3 radians. So now that we have this, we just have to substitute it. So A is equal to half times 5 squared times 5 pi over 3. And if we simplify this, we're going to get half 1 out of 2 times 25 times 5 pi over 3. And if we could simplify this even more, 25 over 2 times 5 pi over 3. So now we could just multiply both sides. 25 times 5 is going to give us 125 pi, and 2 times 3 is 6. So 125 pi over 6 is the exact value. It's the exact value of the area. And now we need this as an approximate. So again, 125 pi over 6 is going to be equal to 125 times pi, and divide this by 6. This is going to be equal to 392.9 0.6990817. And of course divide this by 6. Our final answer is going to look like 65.44,984,695. And in A, they asked us to round it to the nearest hundredth. So B, we're just going to assume that's the same thing. So our final answer is going to be 65.45 meters squared. And now moving on to C. C asks us, what angle does the sprinkler rotate through in 2 minutes? So we're just going to have to convert our time. 2 minutes is equal to 2 times 60, which is equal to 120 seconds. Each revolution takes 15 seconds, right? So 120 divided by 15 is going to be equal to 8. So we have 8 revolutions. And now we have to express this in radians and degrees. So 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi radians. So we're going to do 8 times 2 pi, and then we're going to get 16 pi radians. For degrees, 1 revolution is equal to 360 degrees. So we're going to do 8 times 360 degrees, and we're going to get 2,880 degrees. And this is our final answer for C. So now we have A, B, and C, which answers the question, and that concludes this lesson.